Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DVD drive missing in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue you can try this method. Hopefully this method will work for some user. Click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now you need to copy and paste this command line I will give in description. So right click in this top bar, edit and paste, then press enter. So as we can see, the operation completed successfully. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy method we can fix DVD drive missing in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.